Cooking here at my mother is something I've wanted to do my whole life. There's nothing like cooking at home, mate.
I'm Kia Kinuda, and I've always been passionate about kai. When I was a kid, I spent heaps of time with my grandparents. My nan had a wicked mara, and she was always in the kitchen, baking, making jams, chutneys, always feeding people. That's really where my love of food began. As a teenager, life changed pretty quickly. I lost both my parents, dropped out of school, and ended up washing dishes at the Avondale RSA. But that little kitchen turned out to be a stepping stone. Before long, I realised I'd found my place and became a chef. The kitchen gave me something I needed: healing, connection, and purpose. Like a lot of us, I'm still on my own haringa, working out what it means to be Māori to me. People see the mataora and think they've got me figured out. Truth is, ka horio e tino matatau I roto I te reo. For now, food is my love language. And now, I want to share that with you. Incredible local ingredients, traditional Māori dishes, and my own take on how we bring those flavours to life today. This is Kia Eats the World.
In this episode, I'm heading north to Tautoro. This journey goes beyond cooking. It's something way more personal. It's a return to my whenua, a chance to meet whānau I've never known. This isn't just about where I come from, it's about finally coming home.
Are you ready to roll, Ray?
Ready as I'll ever be. Ia ku tamariki, ku moko puna here mai.
Nā koe te matu.
Here mai.
Nā koe.
Here mai. Te uri a te kiri mangu.
Nā koe.
Te uri a hole rau. Kanuta. Hoki mai.
Nā koe.
Hoki mai. Kua roa tō whakangalo mea I tēnei wā, I tēnei wāhi, e hoki mahara atu anā hau ki tō tupuna ia te kirimangu. Ki tupu ngea ke nei mātou ki konei, kei raro te pāpaku nei, kei kona te wāhi tanu mea nā o tupuna. O te whakapapa I he rea tāua kia tāu, o tātou tupuna ia te awha. Nā reira, here mai e te uri.
Nā koe.
Hoki mai ki te kāi. Kia takahi ai koe ngā tapu ai I takahi ai o mātua tupuna. I ngā pāpaku nei, I ngā rārau nei. Tō tupuna ia rāhiri, nāna te wāhi nei tapa. I tōna haereka mai I te hokianga.
E te matua, me poto te tū. I te mea, nā tō karakia ka ki teo I te whitinga mai o te rā, ka rongo hoki taku kiri I te haumārire, taku tirohanga ake ki te whenua kua tau nei, o tau te aio ki taku whatu manawa. Te matua te nā koe, te whakatau ake, I tō tātou whanaunga. Ia kia kua hoki mai ki te wā kāinga. Kia pono taku ki atu kia koe, tua tuatahi paolo atu ai au ki te korokeni. Ka rongo au I tana ingoa ka pātai atu au ki ai anō heke koe. I teka mai tō hoa ki au. Ka menga mai ia ki au, ka hore koe mōhio ana ko te wāhi pūtake mai ai ahau. Tai te korokeni ka menga mai ki au nō Tautoro ka mea te mōhio tunu au nō Tautoro koe. O tō ingoa e hoa.
Taku he.
No ngā kanuta, tahi au ka menga atu ki ai e hoa, tērā te tahi kai mātua pai. O tōna ingoa ko boxer kanuta. Ko te kōrero ngā mātua ki ngā mea pene me taku pāpā, e puta I te pātiki, e piki I te taiapa. Engari kawarawa I riro, ma te kiri rākau koutou e whakahoki mai ki te kāinga. Nā, e hari kua nau ko hoki mai te korokene. I te mahi ānā mahi, I te wāhi I tupu ai o nā mātua, Me ngā tupuna I korero hia rea koe, ko ngā mea pene me kiri manguma, hari whānau, nō nō te whakaaro, ki hoki mai ia ki te kāinga. Hoi no, kua nui tēnei, te matua e mihi atu ana. Ko whai wāhi mai koe, kātahi, ki te kaupapa. Ka rua ki te whakatau. Ia kia ki o hoki mai ki te kāinga. Ka toru, e pupuri toru ana koe ki ngā kōrero katoa. Ngā kōrero, ngā hapu katoa Tautoro, a tō tāi wiwi, ngā pui. Oi mari a tatau, e mōruhu mai nei koe. He pātaka iri ngā kōrero, hei tātua huarere. O te kupu o te kōrero o ngā komanga. Ao tātou matua, ao tātou tupuna.
Matua, e mihi kau ana, e mihi mutu ngā kore ki a koe. You'll have to excuse my inefficiency in te reo. It's not because I'm not trained or an offence. It's just feeling a lot right now. There's a lot of whakamā of coming with like being told where you're from, but not actually knowing where you're from. We just had 2 breaks on the line. My dad losing his parents and then me losing mine. I was being lost trying to find my way back. I've visited the Urupa many times. I've spent many hours in there just sitting because those are the only ones that I knew, you know. And I was almost dreading coming here. Not because of the aroha I was going to receive, but if I was going to be able to receive it in the right way and not be defensive of all the things that I've been through. I don't have the words for it in English or te reo. Thank you for helping me heal, starting the healing process. I'm very grateful. Thank you for hosting me. Thank you for welcoming me back here. I've only actually been able to see inside the whare through the window. It's my first time in here and won't be the last.
I live over there anytime you need to come.
I'll be knocking on your door, but I won't come empty-handed, eh? I'll come with the feed. I was having flashbacks to the first time I came here. And I was with my dad. You know, him and I were just looking through the window. And I was finally inside. Not just physically, but metaphorically, you know, I was finally inside. I finally made it in after all of these years. It's like I made it to the top of one maunga, only to see that there's more to go. But I'm real proud of myself for getting through this first one. Kei te hihi au, ki te mihi atu, anō, mō tō kōrero I te ata nei, he mihi nenui, he mihi mahana, e matua. He mihi anō mō tō kōrero e pāne ki te whakapapa o te whenua nei, o Tautoro. E maha ngā ingoa moku to try and absorb. But I'm forever grateful for your kōrero.
Thank you. Tēnā koe. O taku hari, ko kitea koe I o pūtake. I pūtake mai koe I hea. Tēnei ko taku tangi, mo te hunga, ka hore anō kia kitea I o rātou pūtakenga. Me taku whakapai he mamai roa tēnā. Ka mauria. Nā reira ko tatu mai o wāwai ki ringoa I ngā tapuai a o mātua, a o tupuna. Hei āwhi nātu I a koe tehi koe a ngā mua.
Ko tērā te me nui ki ai, hoki mai. And
yeah. Mata e tua tātou teke manake I ngā wā katoa.
Wā katoa. Thank you.
Ka pai.
Pai.
O tau te Māori.
Tau te Māori, all right. Yeah.
We're sitting on Maunga Tawanui, and as you look out onto Lake Kereru, you have Motu Whārangi over there. Inside that island, it holds a lot of our precious taonga, our tupuna, very sacred place. And behind Motu Whārangi and Kereru, you have Maunga Tautoro. And that's where Rahiri went up there and burnt him a fire, fell asleep and woke up to his taurahere being burnt, and that's how Tautoro got its name.
Cooking here at my marae is something I've wanted to do my whole life. And although I may have stuttered and not been able to say in words what I was able to convey, I can do that through my kai. Yeah, there's nothing like cooking at home, mate. It's always the way with whānau. You think you're cooking for 10 and then it turns into 20, but then it's actually 30. Yeah, we're ready for that. Because is there anyone that wants to do dishes? No mucking about. And the kihini today, getting the hākini ready for the whānau. My lovely cousins over here helping me on the prep. I've got my cod that I've been dry aging for the last 10 days. There was actually a cauliflower dish that I was quite famous for at Ada. Gonna pull that one out for the whānau today as well. Some of the dishes that I've done today are gonna be new versions of things for the whānau, and then some will be super familiar. The kazi went and got us some mutton this morning. I've used the stock from the mutton shanks, a couple tins of tomatoes, some of my spice mix, bit of cream. This is basically the base of the sauce. And then I'm going to get the lamb shanks in to finish. Pre-boiled these last night to get the middle real soft, but then high heat on the outside makes the outsides real crunchy. I'm just using a little bit of oil just to help my spice mix stick to it. 11 secret herbs and spices. For the rub on the mutton, I'm just going to do some kawa, some garlic. It's my go-to rongoa. I like to use it in the same way Italians use parsley. So I'm going to rub a bit of this garlic, kawa and salt mix. I'm really putting my aroha and my intent on this. And this is a home kill as well. I need 6 egg yolks, please.
No pressure!
So I'm just slicing up a bit of power, bit of extra power that we got from the whited upper. The pasta shape is what determines what holds the sauce best. I think macaroni will be the best one. It's the real surf and turf around here. None of this eye fillet and lobster either. Because I like to make the power soft, I'll add some cream, cook it out, and then top the cream up. I'm not doing all of it because I still want to leave some of that power texture. If you're ever limited on your amount of power, adding a packet of pasta to it, that's how you make it go around. The other kazis came through with a gurnard. The kombu just starts to soak up any excess moisture coming from the flesh. It's an ancient technique to use dry seaweed and stuff to preserve our ika. And the tāmuri here as well. If you've been following the journey, it'll be quite obvious to you that I measure with my heart. It's a special occasion, so we're using the whole block. Doing all the heavy lifting in my recipes, eh boys?
In my arteries.
So I'm actually just breaking them, just so that when I pour butter over the fish, these riwai soak it all up. Got them in similar styles, but I don't want them all to taste the same. Crispy skin, the outside with a bit of flour, serve it with a bit of marmite. And that one, because of the kombu seasoning, I'm just gonna bake it just like that. So these are the mutton shanks. I've braised those for a couple hours now, super soft. Beauty. This is a nanny classic. And then I'm just gonna drown it in butter. This pumpkin came out mean. Actually very close. Lucky last, I don't want it to overcook. Got most of my dishes here ready to go. I'm really proud of everything. Butter, kina. I think I did too much. That's enough.
Yeah.
Go on, bash it up. Barry, why did I commit to doing so many dishes? I'm just glad all you fellas are here to eat it. Get everyone in. Tēnei te mihi, kia koutou, e te whānau. For coming for a feed today, I may not be as proficient with my words as I should be, but I'm pretty good at cooking. And so I hope that anything that I lacked through my kōrero I was able to do with my hands. There's some of my favourite dishes here and just cool dishes that I wanted to come and share with you guys. Real quick, I've got the baked tāmure from the kazi, brought yesterday. I've got a cod that I caught from the wairarapa that I dry aged for 10 days. The gurnard again from the kazi. Some paua that I got from the wairarapa. Some pumpkin from the marakai over there. Some mutton shanks from the kazi. Broth here to start. This is a crab and karingo broth. Instead of cheesing with waipiro and alcohol, we have something for our physical health and mental health as well. I'm so grateful for being able to come back and be welcomed so openly and honestly. You'll see me again soon. And hopefully that will be sooner rather than later after you've had a feed. Sure.
Nau e te ariki e homa e nei kai, he oranga mō mātou tinana, whangai o mātou wairua ki te taro o te ora, ko ihu karaiti o tātou ariki, āmine.
Āmine. This is especially good for wahine mā. It's real high in iron. It is quite intense. So I wanted to start with the broth because it was something that as a kid, my old man would be having fish heads and I wanted to start the meal like how I used to start my day.
Muri ora whānau.
Muri ora. All right, don't wait. Get a feed now. Get into it, guys. Straight for the head, Kaz.
Just like that?
Yeah, that's the one, Kaz. That's the one. Last couple of days have been healing. I wanted to really make it something to remember. I would be able to eat a meal with my old man or my grandparents or my mum and dad again. One of the things I can do though is come back to where I'm from and cook for the whānau. I wanted everybody who came and had a kai to remember that if they hear their cousin Kia is coming to cook, that they better be there. It has been a massive couple of days. To move through all the spaces, I've moved through all of those emotions that I got from not knowing my pepeha or my whakapapa properly. The clouds have parted. I'm feeling really good. Feeling really good about life and the way things are going. I finally feel like I could knock on anybody's door and they'd welcome me in. And I've never had that before. And I will be coming back soon.